Hello and welcome to this Hot Docs QuickPeek. Today I'm going to show you the basics of how you can make your templates multi-language for easier distribution of contracts between worldwide offices and clients. I'm going to use this employment agreement example template in this video within Hot Docs Developer. Once the document is opened, we can see that the text is repeated 3 times, one section for English, French and Spanish. To tell Hot Docs what version of the text to use, I first have to create a multiple choice variable that details the different languages. To create this, I click on Component Manager, choose New Component, the Multiple Choice Variable option, type in the variable name and the prompt that will display in the interview, and complete the options of English, French and Spanish. Click OK, and that variable is saved for us to use in just a minute. Now to include and exclude the relevant portions of this document in the final version, I want to add an if statement. To do this, I highlight all of the text in English, then click If field in the toolbar. I click If Expression, drag the component into the expression box, and choose the language option I need for this section. That mini-menu appeared when I hit F5 on my keyboard. I repeat this again for the French and Spanish sections, making sure to include end if in the new section and choosing else if expression in the box that appears. Once completed, when I test assemble the document, now we can see that the document will appear in the language that I choose in this first multiple choice question. Next I'm going to show you how to create the other variables within the template, such as names and dates and so on, but have it so the question also appears in the interview in the language of your choice. I'm going to use the employee's name as an example, as we can see it appears throughout the document. To do this, I highlight the name. Here we have my name, Lizzie Shepherd. Click Variable field. The variable type is already highlighted as text, which is what we want. So I type employee name as the variable name, click OK and replace all. We can now see that the employee name has been replaced with Hot Docs markup throughout the document and into the French and Spanish text as well. We can see in the test assemble that the questions still appear in English when I have the French or Spanish options selected. To change this, I select the employee name variable and click Edit Component. I click in the prompt box and right-click to select variable field, choose multiple choice, and then pick my language variable that I created earlier from the drop-down list. I then add in the correct text to display in the merged text boxes next to the relevant language, so employee name for English and the equivalent in French and Spanish. I save this by clicking OK, and we can now see in the test assemble that the question appears in the interview in the correct language depending on what we initially selected. I am now free to continue with the other variables within this document. Thank you for watching this Hot Docs QuickPeek, where I've demonstrated how you can create multi-language templates.